Hi, I'm going to show you a new feature for our MultiGage Reader app. Um, Now we have two Bluetooth dial indicator, which is called BlueDial, just one word, BlueDial. You can just go look at our website for more information about these two dials. Well, now I'm focusing more on the new feature that we're adding to this app. The app is called MultiGage Reader App. What you need to do is first turn on both dials and go to pair mode and select these two and connect. So the way it works, this BlueDial using this MultiGage Reader app, once it's paired, you can simultaneously read and see the numbers of each dial. As you can see here, there's one here, one here. So this one is the top number that's changing. This one is the bottom number. You can record it, you can plot it, you can just save it, export. I'm not going to focus on those features, but also you can see the analog dial, right? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at that new feature that we're working on. It's called analysis. Go to a function and analysis, right? The way it works, so let's say I have a reading of this one, I have reading of this one, but I want to get another reading combined from these two readings using some certain formula or equation that I have here. For the purpose of ID measurement, OD measurement, thread profile measurement, or so many other applications, pipe measurement. There are so many applications for this. So the first one is called S1, the other one is called S2. You see the values here. Well, this one is S1, this one is S2. So you just need to put the formula here. Like, for example, I want to have the summation of these two deflections, which shows you, which indicates the size of the OD of a pipe, for example. The first one is S1, put the formula here, plus, either you can type or you can tap on the bottom and it just brings that variable associated with that gauge. So S1 plus S2, that's it. So as you can see here, the number that you're seeing here, it's a number combined from these two by adding up these two readings of the gauges. Like, for example, I want to measure the OD of this object. Well, you need to go and zero it at the, using some certain standard gauge. Let's say, okay, this is a standard gauge. I go here, zero both, right? Then I go to that analysis page. Now if I put these two together, the first one plus second one, right, it will give you zero, right? So let's say the standard workpiece OD was 40, right? Now we're in millimeter units, so 40. So at each moment it shows the OD of this object. The maximum number actually shows the OD. So again, this is a custom page for putting any custom formula or equation that you want, combined from two or even more than two gauges, many gauges you have, but mainly the main application is two gauges. There are so many other applications, as I mentioned, but you can put the equation for OD, adding up these two, or for ID would be a little bit different. Practically, you can put any function that you want. It's just a formula page. Yeah, so for more information about this, you can go to our website, www.motionics.com, and look at the BlueDial and the compatible apps that we have and software that we have for this type of BlueDial. Again, this is a new feature that is going to be added to our software called MultiGage app. Thanks.